station WWF34 in Plainwell, transmitting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The current time is 11:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the area weather outlook issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Scattered showers will continue today and then end on Thursday as high pressure moves in. Now here is your local forecast. Rest of today, cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Highs around 70. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers. Lows in the mid-50s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Highs.
Around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test until the next available good weather day. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm zone for hazardous watches warnings for the following count. 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga. Those counties are Cal, Clinton, East, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jack, Livingston, and Shiawassee. 162.425 megahertz from West Olive. Those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia. Those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant. Those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. 162.5.
Today, otherwise conditions should be dry.
Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. 162.475 megahertz. Well, those counties are Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, Calhoun. On 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device.
Now here is your local forecast.
All right.